Careful, you don't know what kind of animals we might find down here. We might find some lions and tigers and bears. Oh no. Come on. You're slowing me down, girl. Hey, don't be eating stuff. I remember when the kids were little, walking around the zoo, carrying a big old VHS camera on my shoulder, tethered to what they called a portable recorder, VHS recorder. Hell, the tapes were bigger than the cameras we use today. Okay, come on. We might be able to walk through the zoo with this camera and the crutch. Maybe carrying another camera for some other shots, or just carrying the just carrying the stick. That would be lightweight. Selfie stick. It's kind of peaceful out here, isn't it, with the birds and stuff? Can you hear the birds, Angel? Okay, come on. Just a guy and his dog.